Hi, good day, all of you. Today is Friday, the 3rd of December 2021, the eve before the Gambian presidential election 2021. So, as we all know, tomorrow, 4th December 2021, is presidential election in the Gambia. Um, I want to um, give my bits by providing election results template. So I decided to design election results template using Excel spreadsheet, and also I designed another set using Google Sheet, online spreadsheet, together with Google Forms. So I want to take you through, and so you can be able to use them if you like to record, to keep your own records at home. Okay, but before going further, I would like to say this. I would like to mention a disclaimer, okay? And I would like to say that I designed this template with good faith. That's to help people to record their election results. And once you record correctly, all the analysis will be done for you. We'll see how it's going to work. So my intention is to help, but I am not accepting any liability or responsibility in case you use this template wrongly and it has given you a wrong results. I'm not taking any responsibility, just to make that clear. Okay, so I will take you through the templates so you'll be able to know how to use it. Okay, so when you look at this template, let me zoom it to a normal. Okay, I zoom it a bit to, let's say, 75, so I can see everything. Excellent. So this is the way the template looks like. I'll take you through the fixed areas. Okay, so first column, we have the constituency, the administrative area, the number of voters that have been registered in each of the administrative areas, and the percentage of those number overall, that is their weighting. Then we have the middle part where we're going to do our recording for each party. That's the one column for UDP, for NPP, for NUP, for GDC, for independent, and for PDOIs. So that's for Dabo, for Barrow, for Jame, for Kande, for Fal, and for Salah. So these areas that are in orange are the areas that are going to be used to record the results. In fact, it is only these areas that you have access to. You cannot, in fact, click anywhere else. Okay, so once you enter, the total results will populate here. And of course, the difference between what has been registered and the total result for each constituency will be populated here. The voter turnout, which is considering the number of people who voted compared to the number of people who have registered, will be displayed here. And then the constituency percentage for each of the parties will also be displayed here. So let me make it a bit bigger. Right, so, and once you enter any results, automatically, this area will change, okay? And it will give you a ranking. That means the positioning, who comes first, second, and stuff like that, okay? So I'll just take you through quickly how to fill this. let's say, for example, we're going to do only 3 results. For example, let's say Banjul South. This is just a demonstration just to see how it works with no intentions at all. Okay, it's just a demonstration. Okay, so let's say Banjul South UDP scored, let's say 1,200. NPP scored, let's say 1,100. Let's say NUP scored 2,300. Okay, can you see as you typed, the cumulative results will add? Look at it, 4,601. Let's say we add GDC. Let's say GDC scored 900. As you can see, once you enter, you see the total has changed to 5,500, and the difference will reduce, and the turnout will also calculate. And when you come here also cumulatively, see all this is changing. UDP cumulatively is 1,200 because they have only one results in, and NPP 1,100 like that. Okay, so as you go, the overall turnout rate will also display here. Can you see? Okay, so let's say independent scored 700. Okay, so that will be 6,200 total out of 6,248. So that's about 99% turnout, assuming this is the case. And the difference is only 48. That means the 48 is the lost ballot. Okay, the people who have not turned out to cast their vote. Okay, so overall, when you look at it, it will give you an overall percentage for each of them. So you can see here, for UDP is 19.4, for NPP 17.7, for NUP is going to be 37.1, like that. This is only a dummy. Please, I want to make myself clear. This is only a demonstration, just to help people who want to capture their election results. Okay, so let's say, forgot about Doi. Let's say Doi scored 40, for example. With all due respect to them, it's just a demonstration. Okay, then we can do Jara West, for example. Jara West is where I come from. Okay, so let's say Jara West has got about 15,045. Let's say UDP scored 7,000. NPP scored, let's say 7,100. So cumulative, as you can see, it's 14,100. Let's say NUP scored 100. Okay, GDC scored 210. Independent scored 120. Okay, and PDOIS scored, let's say 500. Okay, so as you can see, the total cumulatively is 15,030 out of 15,045. That's almost 100%. So only 15 votes have not been cast. Okay, so as you can see now, the moment I add this, everything will add up. You see 1,200, let's say for UDP, added to 7,000 gives you 8,200. For, let's say, GDC, 900 plus 210 gives you 1,100. And the percentages will also be calculated automatically. And the total vote cast so far will also be calculated automatically. And then we will have the rankings. Okay, we'll have the rankings. As you can see here, there is a tie between UDP and NPP here. And you have 1-1 meaning first. There's no second, then you have third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, like that. Okay, so we're going to do more demonstration. Let's say we go to Sami. Sami has got 13,637 registered votes. Let's say UDP has got um, let's say UDP has got 8,000 and NPP has got 2,400. So you're going to record them as you can see on their various columns. Let's say NUP recorded 600 and GDC recorded 3,000. Okay, no, 2,000, just to make sure I don't go beyond. PDOIS recorded 600. Then you have, let's say, independent recorded 7. Okay, so this is the way it looks like. So overall, as you can see, it will give you the right ranking. Okay, so and when you come down, you see the totals here and everything. So this is the way the template works. What you need to do in summary is to enter in these areas that are orange. Finish. And then the rest will be done for you. Okay. So please, I'm really sorry if anybody feels I've been personal in my demonstration. Not at all. It's just to show people how to populate or how to enter the results. As simple as that. But I have done the template just to help people out so that they can be able to monitor the results as and when it comes in. I hope you enjoy this video. And please don't hesitate to contact me if you need any of these templates so you can be able to use them for that purpose. So before going, I would like to project, where are we? I would like to project the one I did using Google Sheet. Okay, so I just come here. Okay, the one I did using Google Sheet. Okay, so that looks like this. That one, you need a Google form. I have designed the Google form also. The Google form, once you enter the Google form, the results will come here. Okay, the results will come here automatically. And this is linked to this sheet where it's going to be populated here. And then the summary will also be populated. So let me see if I can do a demo on this. 1 second. I'll share another one. Okay, where are we? Okay. Right. Actually, let me see. Okay. The Google form, I cannot locate it here, but in case you need it, please send me a message. I can, give it to you so you can use it to fill your election results. Thank you so much and have a good one. I pray that Allah bring peace to our beloved country. Whoever wins, let the person be a peaceful person, and let the person rule the Gambia in the way we all expect. Inshallah, we hope and pray that we'll have a very peaceful election, because that's what we know as Gambians. So good luck to all the 6 candidates. I love all of you. Thank you so much. Bye.